What's up, everybody? We are getting ready to go to the Starboard show with the Monster. It was some pretty crappy weather out here with the strap down on the trailer, so I got a tarp on it for the night. Either way, my birthday was yesterday, and my wife got me a nice set of headlights that I wanted with some halos for the Monster. So it's like 12 degrees outside, but either way, I'd like to get these in before the Starboard show, so I'm going to go ahead and get them thrown in and see what they look like. I'm going to wire them up probably when I actually get to the show, because it'll just be to hook up a couple of wires just so I have the halos on it. But either way, let's get to the action. Alright. Looks like it fits good, so I'm going to get the beauty rings back on it real fast, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, we got it all in, got it all bolted up. Got my power probe down here so I can run some power to it, and let's see what the light looks like. Alright, we got power probe hooked up. Let's turn it on and see what we got. Nice. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get the other cover, or the side of the cover taken off, get that one thrown in real fast, and we'll see what they look like. Alright, there we go, we got them installed. Definitely gives the car a pretty cool look. I'm interested to see what it's going to look like when I get the halos wired up. But I will do that tomorrow morning. It is freezing out here, so I am done for the night, and I will catch you in the next video.